In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an under maintenance website on WP Engine in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone just learning the ropes, understanding how to manage your site's maintenance mode is crucial. We'll walk through these steps, ensuring your website management is smooth and your visitors are well informed during any downtime. To begin, navigate to your WP Engine user portal. Depending on your needs, you should go to your site environment, whether it's production, staging, or development. These environments help you with different stages of website readiness, providing a space to test before going live. Once you're there, look for the Utilities section. This is where you manage various settings for your site. Under Utilities, you'll see an option for Site Lock or Maintenance Mode. Click on that to proceed. If your site is currently set to display an Under Maintenance page, you can disable this mode by simply toggling the Site Lock feature off. Alternatively, you can remove a maintenance mode plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Doing this is often quick and lets users access your website right away. However, if you're temporarily pausing site access for any reason, maintaining this lock is vital for a seamless visitor experience. On the flip side, if you want to customize the maintenance message your visitors see, adding a bit of personality or specific information, you can use plugins like WP Maintenance Mode or Seed Prod Coming Soon. These plugins provide a variety of templates and customization options that can help match your site's style, even when it's not fully operational. Keep in mind that utilizing these tools can enhance your on-brand communication and keep your audience informed and engaged. Once you've installed the plugin of your choice, it's time to dive into customization. These plugins typically offer options to change the page design and text, making it easy for your message to reflect current updates, contact information, or even a countdown to when your site will be back online. After you've tailored the page to suit your needs, make sure to activate it. This step is vital to ensure that the changes are live and your visitors will see the new design. With those steps completed, your maintenance page will be customized and ready to communicate effectively with your visitors. This setup allows flexibility and ensures your online presence remains professional, even during downtime. Hopefully, this guide helps you manage your website's maintenance mode efficiently on WP Engine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to maximize your website's potential.